Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Git for Windows and set up SSH keys, full guide step by step clearly. To install Git for Windows, start by visiting the official Git website. Navigate to git-scm.com. Click on the download button. The website will automatically detect your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to begin the installation process. Choose your preferred language and click OK. Click Next to proceed to the installation options. Read the GNU General Public License and click Next if you agree. Select the destination folder where you want to install Git and click Next. Choose the components you want to install. For most users, the default options are sufficient. Click Next to continue. Select the default editor you'd like to use with Git. If you're unsure, choose Use Vim for commits. Click Next to proceed. In the next screen, select the adjustment to your path environment. Choosing Git from the command line and also from third-party software is recommended. Click Next. Select the HTTPS transport backend. Most users can stick with the default option. Click Next. Choose the configuration for the line-ending conversions. Selecting Checkout window style, commit Unix-style line endings is a common choice. Click Next. Choose the terminal emulator you'd like Git Bash to use. The default option Use MinTTY is recommended. Click Next. Select the default behavior for Git pull. The default option is click Next. Review your settings and click Install to begin the installation. The installation process will take a few moments. Once it's finished, click Finish. Now, let's set up SSH keys. Start by opening Git Bash. Type the following command, SSH keygen TRSAB4096C your underscore email at example.com. Replace your underscore email at example.com with your actual email address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.